Hello everyone, I am Vani, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Here is my lecture video series on topic clustering and topic modeling in text analysis. Let's see what is the concept of clustering and how it is useful for us. Let's go on to this series. Here, before going to the clustering process, we have to understand what is clustering. Clustering is an unsupervised learning task. What is an unsupervised learning is nothing but grouping of data without a prior unsimilar labels. So for example, we are going to the departmental store or grocery shop. We will find various groceries that we require without any similarities. You will find the necessary things we want. This is the formation of a cluster of unsupervised learning with a real-time example. The next one is discovering hidden patterns. The main purpose of hidden patterns is to identify the relationship and structure of a process or a data immediately in order to find out which pattern we have to analyze. For discovering hidden patterns, for this real-time example is identifying a password of our mobile phone. By identifying this password, we can know that who is the authorized person and who needs the data exactly. The next one is practical application of a clustering. A practical application for a clustering is related to the documents that are grouped in a website post by the based on topic or themes, etc., or blogs that the information retrieved for and make the data more accessible and useful for an organization purpose. Here the clustering process is implemented through the practical application in this format. The next one is what is the process steps, what are the steps we have used in this clustering process, such as a bag of words representation, vector normalization, stop word removal, stemming process, and TF-IDF weighting process. A bag of words represents we can represent a text or word through a particular frequency count or ignoring a word's order. This is typically used to achieve, such as vector count vectorizer. We can use this bag of words in the process of identifying data that we needed for the processing, such as we are verifying a document purpose or a Word document. Whatever the process we had needed in the document, it will use this process is very useful for us to represent the data. The next one is vector normalization. Vector normalization is a scale or vector features to analyze the unit length of a document. From this process we can prevent the document length from being biasing as a clustering result. The next one is stop word removal. This eliminate common words such as and, the, etc., which reduces the noise and lowers the dimensionality of data. The next one is stemming process. Stemming process is to reduce their root forms, such as these words can be converted to the words related to the similar words, such as for this example, if we define a word as a image or imagine, we can just represent as img or imag. It takes that word as what we have to convert it through the tools like as natural language toolkit, which is commonly used for this purpose, exactly converting the text what we required. The next one is TF or IDF weighting. This is a frequency where we inverse the document to emphasize rare words over common ones. This differentiate the common word and rare words that we occasionally use in a word document or a paraphrase. These are the following things we are used to identify in our identify in this clustering process. We can continue the process of clustering in the upcoming series. Thank you.